Good morning. Welcome to the Hollaby Homestead. Today is kind of a spring day. It's a little chilly. We're supposed to get snow later, but I don't know. We'll see. Kind of looks like it. Kind of doesn't look like it. Anyways, we have Bailey on a chain, and I will explain that. It's because we haven't built the enclosure yet for the chickens and for him to live in because the ground is still frozen. So he does have a bit of a wandering streak. So I keep him on the chain, not all the time, just for little parts of the day, just so that he kind of learns this is his home base and this is where he needs to be. So, without further ado, let's get these chickens looked after. So, the reason he's on a chain is because we were using like a cloth fiber style leash, whatever you want to call it. Quite a thick one, like one that's meant for like a dog that weighs way more than he does right now. And anyways, he bit through it. About 2 or 3 bites, he bit through it. We had some leather like walking leashes, and he bit through those too. So we had to go to the hardware store and get an actual chain so he doesn't chew his way off there. But that's one thing that I learned about Great Pyrenees, is that they do have a good set of teeth on them. So keep that in mind if you ever get your own Great Pyrenees puppy, because they are escape artists. Right? Right? Good boy. Sit. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. So I wanted to show you guys something else I'm kind of working on. See if it works. I don't know. It should work. But anyways, this is lentils. And I seen this actual video on TikTok. So you put, I'm gonna put this down because it's really heavy. So you put a half a cup of lentils into a quart-sized jar, And so on the top, this is like well, we use a window screen, but like just use a screen of some sort. And instead of like the lid part, you just have the rim. So there is a half a cup of lentils. You fill it up. I did this yesterday. So after it sits overnight, then you take it over to your sink and pour out the water. But when you pour out the water, the lentils don't come out because of the screen. So then you fill it up. And rinse them again. And I'm just going to do it one more time. And there we go. So this time on day 2, you aren't filling it back up with water. You are just rinsing the lentils. So the next thing is that I'm going to put this in a cupboard, mainly because of my cats, but it doesn't matter if you put it in a window or in the cupboard. So in case you haven't figured out already, what I'm doing is sprouting these lentils, and they're going to be an awesome kind of extra little healthy thing for our chickens. So this will take about 3 or 4 days. So if this works, because this is my first time trying it, so I'm not 100% sure, and if this works, I will make a video. Hi, Randy. I will make a video how to actually do this, like, you know, step per step. But anyways, this is my weird little experiment, and it goes into the cupboard because of this orange guy. Oh, it looks like it's the last day of collecting sap, maybe. And so some of these buckets have a bit of a yellow tinge to them. It's hard to see, but so Dave's pouring one out there now. This one has to be poured out. It can mean rain, but most of the time it is like a sign that it's sour, that you know, it's not maple syrup anymore, it's sour sap. So I'm gonna pour that out. But we do have a lot inside and almost a full bucket there, so pretty good.
Should be fine.
So we got almost a full bucket.
Yeah.
And it's going in the pot. We already have some in there that will boil down.
Again.
Cool. So this may or may not be our last of the maple syrup this year. That's all the eggs we got today. Got another red one.
Yeah. I think it's right.
Our egg count is back. Well, guys, that's our video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully next time we'll have a little bit more going on. But there's not much really going on right now. But
Yeah, once the weather's warmed up and stuff, we'll be in the garden and
yeah,
got a couple other projects. That
we'll let you know how the maple syrup goes, though. So we'll keep you up to date on that. We'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya.